Hi friends, today I will show you how to create a miniature garden without spending a single buck on it. While doing so, I will also share a couple of tips on choosing the right plants for miniature garden. So keep watching till the end. Creating a miniature garden is fun and a great project to engage our kids during this stay-at-home phase. For this zero-cost project, I painted my old pot and went for plant hunting in the neighborhood. I chose and collected some weeds and moss. These are in abundance in nature during this monsoon season. I have gathered all the items that is required for this project. You have already seen that I have repurposed my old pot. Now I am going to use the gravels from my old aquarium. This plant I already have. And you know from where I have collected these weeds. First thing first, let us start with preparing the pot with the soil. Now here comes tip number 1. Since we are using a single container for multiple plants for this miniature garden, always keep in mind to choose the plants that have similar requirement in terms of watering and soil requirement. Can you recognize these plants? One hint, they are veggie plants. Now I am going to plant these little champs. And here comes my next tip. Choose plants according to scale. No, you don't need any measuring instrument, but to your eyes, it should not look odd. Choose plants that resembles trees, shrubs or grasses in real life. For example, I chose the previous plants that resembles trees and these little ones resembles a bush or shrub. Remember, this is a zero cost project. I took few strands from my broom and braided it to make an arch. This will be our garden's gate. Now adding some creeper to it. And now comes the fun part, adding the lush green grasses. Mosses. And now tip number 3. As we are covering the entire soil with stones and mosses, so your soil's water retaining capacity will be higher. So please be little cautious about watering. Don't overwater. My son is helping to lay the garden path. At this point, I felt that a flowering plant is missing in this garden, but I could not find any miniature flowering plants. So I took a branch from my Ixora plant. I know this is not in scale and this flower will wilt within a couple of days. Maybe I will replace this plant after a few days, but for now this is my flowering plant. And now I am adding some props from my son's toy box. And this is the final look. This could be a very good summer project for your kids in this lockdown situation. Both me and my sons thoroughly enjoyed the entire process of creating this miniature garden. And if you have enjoyed watching this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Balcony Garden. And thanks for watching.